Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, August 29th, 2016. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, let's take a look at the S&P 500 E-mini chart, and you're going to see that the futures this morning are trading higher by about 2.5 points to 21.71 per contract. I'm just going to move this over to the 24-hour time frame, and you'll see that the futures really caught a bid around 3 o'clock in the morning. They started to move higher and have been moving up ever since. Now, we do have the London markets closed today, so traders just remember that. But nonetheless, futures are inching back up. Now, Janet Yellen did have her speech from Jackson Hole on Friday. The market reacted negative, then positive, then negative, then positive. So the markets were really all over the place. All in all, it was a pretty flat day when it was all said and done. So we'll see what today brings. Now, this is the final trading week of the August time frame, and then on Thursday we will go into September 1st, and Friday we will have the non-farm payroll report. So again, just realized this is the last trading week ahead of the Labor Day holiday, and that is often a very, very light volume period for the market. So again, whenever you get light volume, that helps to keep markets buoyant. So we'll see if that is the case this week, as markets may be able to float higher or actually just stay and go sideways. So we'll see what it gives us. But we do have stocks in the news. That's where we want to focus our attention. First off the bat, we're going to take a look at MYL Labs. MYL right now trading at $43.92, closed at $43.04. It looks like they're going to introduce a generic version of their EpiPen at a 50% discount to its branded product list price. So again, this has been very, very controversial as of late. I still think that MYL is going to go lower overall, but we will be waiting for pattern on that stock. So again, I'll be giving that pattern out to all the members of InTheMoneyStocks.com, whether you're a chat room member or a research center member. So come on over, take the 7-day free trial to either one of those, and you'll get the patterns that I'm looking at on MYL. But today it is ticking up a little bit. I don't think it has all that much upside here, but nonetheless, it is up a little bit. Herbalife is in the news. Looks like Carl Icahn on Friday afternoon said he bought 2.3 million shares. And he said he did not know what Bill Ackman was talking about. Herbalife, take a look at the stock, caught a little bit of a bid Friday, and you'll see it's trading right now around $62.05, closed at $60.50 on Friday. So good little pop there for Herbalife. Just so everyone is aware, I do hold Herbalife put options. Next up, we're going to talk about is going to be HOG, which is HOG, better known as Harley Davidson, for those of you bikers out there. Stock right now is trading at 51.01. There's no volume here, but it looks like that the stock was downgraded, so we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we're going to take a look at Monsanto. Monsanto's catching a little bit of a bid here, closed at 107.50. Right now it is trading at 108.57, so it's upticking a little bit. I'm not exactly sure of the news from Monsanto, but nonetheless, that's been a takeover candidate for quite a while. We'll see if anything comes from it. It is ticking up a little bit. You can see Mondays are a little bit on the quieter side. So again, we'll just see what this market gives us. We have some upgrades and downgrades today that I think are notable. Micron was upgraded. Ticker symbol is MU. That is catching a little bit of a bid. Closed at 16.51. Now trading at 16.81. We'll keep that on the radar a little bit later today. T-Mobile US. Trading up a little bit on no volume though, and I believe that was upgraded as well. Some notable downgrades. Netflix, NFLX is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at 97.20, closed at 97.58. It has, gapped down this morning and then rebounded back up. No real notable volume out here though, so be a little bit careful there. SQ, which is Square, this is the other company besides Twitter that is ran by the same CEO. Right now, that stock is trading at $11.88, closed at $12.03. So again, even though you could see a little bit of a dip on that downgrade, so some notable downgrades there. Looking over at the gold market this morning, we have gold down about $3. I'll make that $2.80 now. Right now, gold futures are trading at $1,323. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that was hit pretty good on Friday. Today, it's trading at 126.04, basically right where it closed. Take a look at the GDX, which is a gold miners ETF. This closed at 27.15. You could see this trading at 26.91. So we are seeing some select gold mining stocks trading down a little bit. And you also should note that the U.S. dollar index is trading decently higher today. Closed at 57.75, and we had a real good bid on Friday, and right now it's pretty much holding steady. So again, dollar upticking just a touch, and that definitely is weighing on gold this morning. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is down 57, make that 59 cents right now, to $47.05 an ounce. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see this is trading at 10.89, closed at 10.94, so it's reflecting a little bit of a downtick. Crude oil right now remains pretty range bound, but nonetheless, you are getting some up and down whips each and every day, as we did come up against some good resistance a few days ago. So we'll see how that plays out. And again, Mondays sometimes can be a little bit on the slower side, so we'll see what this market gives us. But nonetheless, there always are some opportunities. And if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. We had another fantastic trading week last week, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. All right, I'm going to leave it here. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.